How would you help a buyer find a home if the internet did not exist and MLS did not exist? How would you do it? I got a million ways.
Get out, pound the pavement, drive around, and listen,
Yep.
go to the newspaper. You got to go old school.
Yeah, I'm with Akina.
2023. Yeah. I mean, what about direct marketing in the mailbox? Just putting up a direct marketing campaign in somebody's mailbox. Number one thing realtors don't do, but it's one of the most lucrative things you can do, right? What about who lives in the subdivision with an HOA? Anybody? Who has a kid in high school or 18 and under? Anybody? Y'all part of PTAs, right? If not, you need to get your butt in there and be a part of it, right? Everywhere's a business opportunity. Who has kids that play sports, right? Who has a local YMCA near you or a church near you? Or, I mean, we could go on and on. I could give you 50 ways to find homes for buyers that the internet has nothing to do with the internet or MLS. But as realtors, what do? We stay focused on MLS. Oh, yeah, we got low inventory. Ain't no low inventory out here. Your job is to help people figure out how they can get what they want. Sellers don't want to buy it. Are you telling me that sellers don't want to sell their home and buy another home because rates are at 7%? I don't believe it. What if you got them an extra $10,000 or $15,000 on their home and they could buy down their rate to 4.99? We just closed like 7 deals last week at 4.99, a guaranteed on loans. Like that was last week, right? You got to think outside the box. And the realtors that I talk to, because I talk to a lot of realtors, we have 500 realtors that are connected to guaranteed home loans. And I do meetings with them. And I'm like, okay, well, these are the things that I'm teaching. I'm like, just get more money for your sellers so they can buy down their rate for the next couple years, and then they'll be ready to move. But they don't know that they can do this because most agents are what? Secret agents, right? Most of us are secret agents. Your buyers don't know that they can buy a home and get their rate bought down. They don't know that because most of us are secret agents. And the more secret we are, the smaller our bank account gets. So you got it to get from where you are now to your ideal life. What you got to do is know and do, right? So how do you do that? Number one, you should be talking to loan officers left and right about loan programs. There's so many loan programs out here right now because trust me, the federal government knows they want people to keep buying homes, right? We closed 17 deals last week. They're guaranteed home loans last week, right? Buyers, investors, all kinds of different people. And so if you're not talking to loan officers about loan programs, you don't have anything to talk to a buyer or seller about. But if you started getting out on social media, TikTok, follow Melissa's blueprint, okay, follow her blueprint to a $10,000 a month bag after 4 months that she's getting, start giving tips on the internet about how they can do these things. I promise you, people will start calling you. You start doing the tours like Juanita, I know Karen's doing in Michigan, where you're going out to homes, videotaping new construction homes. Go to piggyback of what Alice says, right? If you're not doing the things that we're suggesting for you to that are working, like my man Lasik out in Dallas made $2.7 million last year, his second year in real estate, and all he does is walk through homes and say, hey, this is a new subdivision, look at this room, all the stuff you guys do every day, except you're not doing it on social media. Right? You're just a secret agent doing it with your client, and you don't understand how that could bring you more clients. It could bring you more clients.